Artificial intelligence now influences critical life decisions quietly, determining outcomes long before people realize a judgment has already been made about them. These systems do not explain themselves, justify reasoning, or allow appeal, creating decisions that feel final, distant, and impossible to challenge. What once required human discussion, debate, and accountability is now reduced to automated outputs, delivered without transparency or emotional understanding. When decision-making power becomes invisible and unquestionable, freedom does not disappear suddenly, it erodes slowly under the appearance of efficiency. AI systems operate behind screens and databases, making life-changing decisions without ever revealing logic, reasoning, or criteria to affected individuals. Because these judgments feel automated and distant, people rarely realize how deeply their futures are being shaped without consent. Unlike human authorities, AI decisions often provide no explanation, appeal process, or opportunity for dialogue or correction. Once an algorithm decides, the outcome becomes final, leaving individuals powerless to question or defend themselves. AI systems exercise authority without personal responsibility, emotion, or fear of consequences when harm occurs. This lack of accountability makes correcting mistakes slower, while trust in automated decisions continues to grow. Your past behavior, online activity, and personal data are used to predict future outcomes and opportunities. These predictions follow you silently, shaping access to jobs, loans, education, and social mobility. AI absorbs bias from historical data, embedding inequality directly into automated decision-making systems. Once encoded, bias becomes harder to detect, challenge, or remove than human prejudice. Decision processes are hidden inside proprietary systems, protected as trade secrets rather than explained to the people affected daily by them. Without transparency, mistakes remain unquestioned, bias stays embedded, and trust is demanded without proof or understanding from those impacted most. People adapt behavior to satisfy algorithms, adjusting actions not to be fair, but to avoid invisible penalties and negative outcomes. This silent compliance reshapes society, rewarding conformity while discouraging risk, dissent, and authentic human expression across workplaces and communities globally. Human reviewers are increasingly removed from decision pipelines, replaced by automated confidence scores and thresholds set by models alone initially. This removal reduces context, empathy, and correction, allowing flawed decisions to pass unchallenged through systems at scale everywhere today globally. Those controlling AI systems gain disproportionate power, while affected individuals lack visibility, voice, or meaningful recourse within decisions made about them. This imbalance quietly reshapes society, concentrating authority without democratic oversight or transparent consent from populations impacted daily by algorithms everywhere. AI systems make decisions in milliseconds, prioritizing efficiency over reflection, context, or long-term human consequences entirely. This speed leaves no space for reconsideration, understanding nuance, or correcting errors before real harm is done. Existing laws were built for human judgment, not automated decisions made by opaque, self-updating systems. This gap allows harm to occur legally, because responsibility is unclear and accountability is endlessly deferred. Knowing an unseen system constantly evaluates you creates stress, self-censorship, and quiet psychological pressure. People begin shaping identity around algorithmic approval rather than personal values, ambition, or creativity. Early algorithmic judgments can follow individuals for years, shaping opportunities before true potential ever appears. A single data-driven decision may quietly close doors that were never meant to be closed permanently. If an AI decides your future without explanation, appeal, or accountability, can we still claim real freedom of choice? Or have we already accepted a system where silence replaces consent and efficiency replaces justice forever?